Hi everyone, this is Zakir and this is the 9th video in our module functions. Check the previous video if you missed it in the description below. Today we will be discussing about exponential functions. An exponential function f is defined by fx equals a to the power x. Here a is a constant and it is called the base of the function, and x is called the index or the exponent of the function. In an exponential function as above, x is an element of all real numbers. That is, x must be a real number and a must be greater than 0, and also a cannot be equal to 1. For example, let's take this exponential function y equals 2 to the power x. Now let's sketch the graph of this function. So we'll draw a table of x and y, and we have x values -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. We substitute this into the function and get the y values. So y equals 2 to the power -2, that is 1 over 2 squared, will give us 0.25, and 2 to the power -1 is 1 over 2, that's 0.5. 2 to the power 0 equals 1, and 2 to the power 1 equals 2. Similarly, 2 to the power 2 equals 4. So let's sketch this on a graph. This is the graph we get, and it is a very important graph. Notice that when x increases, y increases as well, but at an even faster rate when x is greater than 0. When x is high, y is even more higher. Similarly, when x decreases, y decreases at an even faster rate. Also, you can see that as x decreases more and more, y approaches 0. So here we can say that when x tends to negative infinity, y tends to 0. This is called an asymptote. This same mechanism is what takes place in a pyramid scheme. A pyramid scheme is when an organization recruits individuals upon a payment. In exchange, the organization will pay the individual a share of the money taken from every individual he recruits. So here, the people who initiated it, that is the directors of the organization, will receive the rest of the payment. For example, let's say that you need to pay 1000 rupees to be recruited to an organization, and for every 2 people that you recruit, you will get 200 rupees. So when you recruit 2 people, 1800 rupees goes to the director while you receive 200 rupees. Similarly, when the people that you recruited bring in 2 more people, then you get a share of their money and the director gets the major share. So this is how a pyramid scheme works. So as the number of members increase, the director gets more money as more people are recruited. This scheme is illegal because only the early investors earn a lot. To earn profit, the new members need to find more and more people. As recruiting multiplies, it is not possible to make a profit because the Earth's population is limited. This can be proved from this diagram. So here we can see that as the number increases, so this is the director, 2 to the power 0, that is 1 member, and next we have 2 to the power 1 members, so 2, and here we have 2 to the power 2. So as this number increases, say we go 2 to the power 33 members, we get a population of 8 billion. So we know that the Earth's population is less than 8 billion. So which means that this will cause this pyramid scheme to collapse. and the new members cannot earn more money. So notice that this growth of members is similar to the exponential graph that we sketched before. So this is one of the many examples where the exponential functions can be used. Now for the tip of the day. When multiplying or dividing exponential functions, remember that the bases must be the same. For example, 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 5 will give us 2 to the power 3 plus 5. You add the indices, so that will be 2 to the power 8. Similarly, when dividing, we have 3 to the power 5 divided by 3 to the power 1. So the base will remain the same, but you find the difference of the indices. So 5 minus 1, that is 3 to the power 4. So that brings us to the end of this video. Share this video to your friends or to anyone who will benefit from this video. If you have any questions, please ask us in the comments below. We are always ready to help you. Until then, take care.